This is Ricky and Jesse.
6, 6, 6. Whoever's doing the cattle change will be after this go.
The 8 and 9 to get it. Got him. Good job, good job. Dude, there we go. Good job. They got it, got it.
Are they going to do it?
Whip and spur, come on,
so.
come on.
42-12. Woo! Nice job.
New leaders.
Okay, 42-12. These are our new leaders, ladies and gentlemen, our new leaders. Great job.
Awesome job.
Nice job out there.
This is Rick
so Rick and Jesse are now our new leaders with the 42-12, followed by Russell and Joy with the 45-35, and then Joe and Dale with the 58-12. We're doing a cattle change right now, ladies and gentlemen. Cattle change. After the cattle change, our next 10 teams will be Mike, Lucas, and Vern, Cheryl and John, Katrina and Robert, George and Joy, Joe and Christy, Norman and Cheryl, Carrie and Lizzie, Candace and Ed, Russell and Jesse, Rhonda and Joe. Those will be our 30 through 40 teams. Then we'll have our 40 through 50, and then we'll be done with our first go. Rhonda!
This is also a tack swap meet going on Saturday the 27th of August, 2011.
John and Cheryl have already gone.
John and Cheryl have already gone. Okay, I had a star next to it, and I thought that was a double. Did you and Joe go together?